Hello to all you lovely people out there. Today I'm sharing with you my writing vlog. Let's get started. Before we get to that writing vlog, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell for content just like this. I'm Octavia D. Mason, giving practical writing tips to beginner writers, book talks to book readers, and vlogs to both. Today's writing vlog follows up on a video that I previously made called Writing Routine, 3 Easy Ways to Write More. So this writing vlog follows up on tip number 3, which says write for at least 30 minutes. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to open up my document about my novella, which follows up on my book, The Group, which you can purchase on Amazon. Hashtag not ashamed of, marketing my own book. But nonetheless, it is going to be a vlog of me writing on this novella for at least 30 minutes. I may write more, I may not. But here we go. So the 30 minutes went by extremely fast, just saying. And I got, let's say, I started off with 1,418 words, and now I'm at 1,800, so 1,854. So I did about 400 more words, and so that's pretty good in 30 minutes. I did have to do some copying and pasting from like another document, so that did add a little bit more, but for 30 minutes it's pretty good. And that's what you can expect to get from like that 100 to, let's say, 300 or so range of words in 30 minutes, depending on how much you already have thought of in your head for the book that you want to do. But yeah, if you do 30 minutes every day, you can expect to get, by the end of the week, a good bit of words done. The main point of writing every day for at least 15 to 30 minutes is to accumulate those words over time. So that way you aren't trying to get a whole lot of things done in one sitting, but you can span out that time. Hey lovely people, thank you for watching this video. ODM question of the day. How long do you write? Is it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or more? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Octavia D. Mason, giving practical writing tips to beginner writers, book talks to book readers, and vlogs to both. If you would like to purchase my book, The Group, it is linked in the description box below. See you next week. Have a lovely day. Peace. If you would like to purchase my book, The Group, it is linked in the description box below. If you want more content just like this,